am so excited to share with you guys how I'm gonna make this shirt a little more fun by adding some fringe just by using Fabric Fusion from Aleene's to get the job done. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to add fringe. Okay, now I have all my fringe pieces cut, so I'm ready to start gluing them on with my Fabric Fusion. You can glue the Fabric Fusion, you can squirt it either on the fabric or on the fringe trim. I'm gonna do it on the fringe trim, making to the fabric where you want it. Push down to make sure it adheres. And then you'll wait 2 to 4 hours once all your pieces are on for it to dry.